Hello students, class 12, subject business studies, chapter number 3. Today we will study about the contribution of Henry Fayol in the development of management. As you already know that who is Henry Fayol. He is a management thinker and he was also known as the father of modern management. Okay, he wrote a book. Earlier also explained you that he wrote a book, General and the Industrial Management, which was in the French language. But this book was translated into the English language in 1949. He wrote in the French language in 1916, but it was translated into the English language in 1949, and in this book he stated the problems of the management from the point of view or the perception of the top level managers. Okay. Now, according to the Fayol, there are the 6 types of the activities which he has described of the top level managers. Okay. First activity is technical activities. Those activities which are related to the production work. Okay. How to produce, what to produce, and for whom to produce, all that activities has to be performed. That means which techniques has to be used, what all technologies has to be used in the production process. Okay. The second type of the activity which he has discussed is a commercial activity which is related to the buying and selling and exchange of the activities. Okay. That means purchase and sale and all the exchange facilities, all that it is related to these activities. What all problem comes, that he has discussed. Then the third type of the activity he had discussed is the financial activity. Financial activity, that means from whom we have to obtain the funds, from where we have to obtain the funds for starting the business, and how to do the optimum utilization of the funds which is obtained. Okay, so all that is related to the business finance. That activities has to be discussed. That is also the main problem of the top level managers. Then comes to the next activity, that is the security activity. Security activity, that means related to the property and safety of the goods. Okay, it is related to the assets and the safety of the goods, that how to take care of the goods and how to take care of the property which is for the business. Okay. Then the fifth type of the property is accounting activity. Accounting activity is basically the activity which is related to preparing the balance sheets, preparing the trading and P&L account, preparing final statements, and doing the statistics of the accounts. All that activity is related to the accounting activity. So this activity also has to be performed by the top level managers. And the last sixth type of the activity is the managerial activity, which is related to the functions of the management, which we have already learned in the previous chapter, that the key functions of the management, 5 key functions is there: planning, organizing, directing, controlling, and staffing. Okay, that is the 5 key functions, and some more auxiliary functions which I've already discussed in the chapter number 2. So that is also the main matter of discussion for the top level managers.